Hi guys, it's Mr. Smith and it's Friday, and that means it's time for another Minecraft math lesson. That's right, you know it. So anyways, we worked on this. We did this tower in the episode, and then we worked on that tower. So I want to just show you, I'm working on a door system for entering... Who's growling at me? Anyways, I'm working out a door system. And I had to go gather materials because I needed to make sticky pistons and a slime block, and I didn't have any slimes at all. So we had to go over to, there's a swamp like way over there. So anyways, I had to make, this little setup is part of a door system. So guys, I had to make, this is a sticky piston under here. Actually, you don't know that. Let me flip the switch and show you what it does. I'm being crazy. Alright, see what that did? So anyways, how that works is that switch lifts this block. I'm not exactly sure how this works, to be honest with you, but it does, so it's okay. So we've got a sticky piston here and three sticky pistons on the bottom. So that's 1 plus 3. So that's how many sticky pistons? That is 4 sticky pistons. Sticky piston is just a piston with slime on it, by the way. And then I have 3 regular pistons over here to push up the gravel. Guys, sorry, I'm really having trouble focusing because it's late and it's been a long day. So if I have 4 sticky pistons and 3 regular pistons, how many pistons did I have to make? I actually made a lot of pistons. So that's my first question. Did I make a lot? How many pistons did I make? So that's 3 plus 4. Where are the pistons I made? I thought I made a bunch. Maybe I didn't. I made a bunch of observer blocks. I didn't make a bunch of pistons. I guess I only made what I needed. Anyways, okay, so that's our first math question. We also used a bunch of redstone. Actually, I had to work this out a little bit. Okay, so then let me show you what this is going to do. So, whatever I choose to use for a gate, I could use fences. I could use iron bars. I'm not sure which, guys. Tell me which I should use, the fences or the iron bars. So when you flip the switch this way, I'm going to push that up and leave it up, and then I can walk under. See that? I'll fill this part in so you can see how it'll work. Although it won't, I'm not going to have this be dirt. It'll be something else. But, so then I can walk in, and I'm in my castle. Woohoo! We can do castle things. And then there's another mechanism that when I flip that switch, it's going to push it down. But I haven't worked that out yet because the tutorial where did that all go? Did those fall down here? They fell down here, didn't they? The tutorial I watched had the button down on the bottom. And why would the button be on the bottom? This whole mechanism is supposed to be underground. So I worked out how to send the signal down, and now I got to work out how to send the signal up. But that's what I did there. So we did some math there, and then, so what I'm going to show you next is we're going to work out how we built that in the next little part of the video, and then do some math related to that. Alright guys, I'm back. So we worked on a wall, we got it worked out a little bit, so what we're going to do now is kind of figure out how many bricks it took to build this wall. So the first thing we're going to do is this row. Each row of this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows, and then 4 rows because we did a row back here. So that's what we're going to do first. This section here is 4 times 5. So we're looking at the stone and how much stone there is. So 4 times 5, guys. 4 groups of 5. So that's the first thing you're figuring out. Okay? Alright, so you probably got that. So now we're going to figure out the top. It's a little more complicated. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 1 row there and 1 row of 5 here. So that's 2 times 5. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stairs to make that top part. So we have 2 times 5 plus 4. That's an algebra equation, guys. That's a little crazy. So, anyways, I'm not sure how much I like this. That's a good amount of math we're doing today. So, anyways, I don't know how much I like this. I might fool around with this a little bit. I don't really like this part. It's kind of boxy and boring. But it's something we could do today to do some math. And I'll work on it. I'll make it look nicer. I promise. And then once we have a good pattern, we'll just kind of go around and sort of make a closed-in area with whatever pattern we come up with. It's probably not going to be exactly this, but it might be a variation of this. All right, the last thing we're going to do, guys, since Mr. Smith keeps having to fly all over the place to get materials and stuff, we're going to go check out the spawner tower, and see what we have for gunpowder so we can make more fireworks to fly around with, because we need to fly, right? We don't have to fly, but it's the easiest way to get around. So let's go in here. It's gonna be nighttime too. We gotta sleep soon. So we have 64 gunpowder and 59 gunpowder. We have all this other stuff too. This is really great. These would be good if they weren't leather, but they are. Leather's not very good. We have a potato. Look at that. We'll make a big potato. Anyways, so 64 plus 59. How much gunpowder do we have? All right. So, guys, that's going to do it for this episode of Minecraft Math. Thanks for watching. I appreciate all the hard work y'all do. We're going to keep building. I'll build more throughout the week. I'll work out that wall because it's not the way I want it to look so far. It's really not great. Maybe we'll add some more different colors and different parts to it. I don't know. I'm not really sure. So before we go, let's take a look. That actually doesn't look terrible. Probably would look okay once we built all the sections. It's really hard to judge how it looks with one section built, but we probably will make a few changes. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!